just landed. Haneda Airport, guys. Pretty empty, but it's a decently big airport. So yeah.
The next stop is Machiya C17. Please change here for the Keisei line and the Tokyo Sakura.
So we're in our first hotel. AJ, how do you rate this? Oh, sorry. How do you rate this? So we are at it's raining. Japan. All right. Where are we going?
I'm good, bro.
No, where are we going?
We're going to Meiji Jingu.
Is that a...
It's a temple.
Alright. Meiji Jingu temple. We went this morning and got our... like the bus card, what was it called? Just got our Suica card and I got a SIM card, so we're good with the Google Maps now. But yeah, it's just in like this cute little aesthetic little place in the middle of Tokyo somewhere. For all the anime boys out there, still heading to that temple, bro. Food places look so good, and they are good, and obviously so cheap as well. Like a bowl of ramen was like $5, like, which is ridiculously cheap. But they all look good. Most things here surprisingly open like out of 10 or 11. So like even if you get up at like 9, it was quite a bit of a surprise, which is interesting. Nice little carve in here. Huh? That's good. We're here at the temple. It looks so aesthetic. Like I don't think the camera really does it justice here. Yeah. Meiji Jingu. So it looks like 1920 was made by Emperor Meiji. Okay. So yeah, it's quite nice and just I think so. It's so zen and just peaceful. I don't know how to describe it. It's just a feeling, really. And there's like these side paths that we could go on, these side quests, bro. But yeah, very beautiful place. Very well maintained and kept, and you can see that they're organized, right? Like no one's walking in the middle. Everyone's on the pathways, and that's just something here, which is a bit different to what we experienced in Australia. Like it's just so organized, and people just seem to be behaving in very efficient ways. Like even when you like get off the trains or buses, like the people towards the middle, on the edge seats, like get up immediately as the bus stops and go out, and then the people on the window seats get up and go out, which is so that other people don't have to wait. Like it's so considerate, and even wearing masks. Another gate, yeah. Shinto gate. What is that?
Like lanterns?
Oh, you might as well see it. So these are not lanterns as Apova anticipated. They're like some kind of alcoholic beverage distillery kind of thing. We've got more of them here. But we're like halal, so like we ain't drinking this, we ain't drinking none of it though. Bro, my mom would love this. All these flowers, bro. Oh, they have like these tiny little dioramas. Okay, so we have approached the main part. Just looks, yeah, big building. Yeah, we're gonna go take a look at the diorama of it. Oh no, it must. Oh, okay, so you had to purify yourself before going in. Alright, so we have purified ourselves, so we'll make ourselves in. Chikatetsu. Oh wow. It's like a dojo style.
Oh, it's tatami. This is
Tatami, oh.
This is where I play
Oh, the game, yeah. Wow. So yeah, we just saw the main hole kind of thing. We threw some money in and it's afraid we threw like 100 bands into that though. 100 bands into that. So like I better like get like good money in return, like purely transactional right here. Couldn't record that, but it is what it is. You were 500 yen?
Yeah, I think so.
Die, bro. You gonna get like a good amount in return.
Hella good luck.
Alright, it just show us how it's done. How to use a vending machine. Alright. Bro does the bow, that's crazy, bro. Behind us we see a municipal cleaner, you know, keeping things clean for us. And one thing I find with the people that are doing their job is like, they are like so involved in their job and take so much pride, irrespective of like what the actual job is. And one of the other etiquettes, the cultural etiquettes here is like you don't tip. Tipping is like kind of seen as like an offense here. So it's like people actually take ownership of their job and like really, you know, they just find so much meaning and purpose irrespective of the job, which is so cool because in the West we're just constantly trying to, you know, just move up a level, you know, be, you know, competitive and like go get ahead of the next person. Bro, we couldn't sleep last night because this guy was snoring the whole night, bro. Like we ain't got like a 0 minute of sleep, bro. Like
I got some crazy sleep.
you got McDonald's, like obviously. Use clothing, bro. Let's go, right? No?
You want to check it out?
Yeah, I reckon thrifting, bro. Thrifting's always alive, bro. Let's go. Thank you. Oh, don't. Yeah, this is nice. Where's the babe, bro? Where's the babe?
You got shorts?
Please don't touch the lights. Please don't touch the
Bro, look at the bottom. No. Oh, it's warm. It's warm water.
Take a piss ferry.
Chill out, Jit. Oh, it's koi fish.
That's so cool.
It's koi fish.
Yeah, Blackie. Yo, what it do, gang?
It's gonna be a huge profile thing, I swear, bro. It's amazing. It's very nice. I fuck with it. I fuck with it so hard, bro. Do it. So that was really interesting.
The flower one,
That was
like
pretty good.
no, like the visual flower, like the dome.
Oh yeah, the universal
That
thingy.
one was actually like put me in a trance.
That was true. So like, what would you say was your favorite?
I think the one where I got to touch her ass. I like the water one.
So many ones in bro. Bro, honestly, like one of the best ramen, bro. This is divine, insanely good, bro. Insane. I can't. What is this place? So this is day 2 in Tokyo. Today we're going to be going off to Disneyland. Just have some breakfast, which is provided for free by Sakura Hotel. Well, bro, how was your sleep last night? Oh shit, no one's getting off.
Maybe we shouldn't have taken this trip.
Alright, so we're here, officially in Tokyo Disneyland. Woo. So we made it. All these rides are gonna be ridden on. I'm gonna ride bro, we gonna ride all the rides, bro.
I'm gonna ride you, man.
Sure, bro.
Bro, that was like some low-hanging fruit, bro. You gotta be a bit more creative than that. This is the mandatory photo op position. This looks like the maybe like Moana's place. Like you see the island Pacific arts style and like yeah. So I was mistaken. This is actually from Lilo and Stitch, not Moana, but we good. We're definitely gonna get wet, bro. We're definitely gonna get wet. Ain't nobody holding umbrellas in the train, bro. Alright, we have just exited Disneyland pool. How'd you rate that, bro?
I rated it a 5.5.
Yeah, I guess it just wasn't as thrilling as we expected, but AJ reckons that's because it's like a kid's
Yeah,
kind of thing, right?
that's gotta be maybe 4 or 5.
Well, the
So-
vlogger never dies, or the vlogger never
Cameraman
dies.
never dies.
Cameraman never dies.
We're here in like a very sketchy area of
We're not.
yeah, it has some of the things that are relatively hidden away from society typically, I think, right?
I think so too.
But like I don't know, because like we don't actually engage in the activities.
Life's gonna get a prostitute.
Like what? Area like people having dinner after work and like, you know. But yeah. But that being said, I'm going to Shizuoka tomorrow to kind of meet my uncle and, you know, look at like Mount Fuji and whatnot. So I guess I'm gonna see y'all then. Peace.